Hello there. Welcome to Space Advocate, a channel aiming to cover space subjects in as much positivity and optimism as the subjects deserve, while still providing valid criticism and relevant context. Oh, and by the way, you're now looking at recent images from the James Webb Space Telescope. I hope you enjoyed them. Space can be amazingly beautiful and has been a big inspiration for me my entire life. To share a little bit about myself, I am a Norwegian aerospace engineer with a lifelong fascination with space. I still remember fondly when I was little, looking up at the stars and the northern lights dancing across the sky, seeing satellites and meteors, and imagining what the future would look like. I remember in middle school, where I wrote a paper and did a presentation on the X-33 Venture Star, which was in development at the time. And later in middle school, I remember when we looked at educational options, and I decided then and there I wanted to be an aerospace engineer. Fast forward a few years, and my bachelor's assignment was on an engineering camera for sounding rockets, and I worked on a student satellite program. And since graduating, I have accumulated over a decade of experience with advanced aerospace products, though it's in the defense sector, so I won't be too specific as to what products. I also have over 500 hours in Kerbal Space Program, which is a game I would definitely recommend. XKCD has this wonderful take on Kerbal Space Program, and I can confirm it from personal experience. But back to James Webb. I have watched and understood hundreds of space videos on YouTube, which has really convinced me of the power of YouTube as a learning platform. And that is something I hope to contribute to with this channel. I'll give a special shout out to Scott Manley and Tim Dodd, the Everyday Astronaut. They have excellent videos about a huge number of space subjects, from the basics to more in-depth analysis. Furthermore, I'm well versed in reading and understanding scientific studies. I don't believe they are the be-all end-all of knowledge, as there is much to be learned from more informal channels, but scientific studies are still the purest sources of information. I do believe in the power of discussion. Discussion is basically an informal peer review. I have for over 20 years participated on a range of online discussion boards, and in more recent years I have also been fairly active in comment sections. This has taught me to never discount constructive criticism, because no matter how smart you are, there is always someone smarter than you, waiting to tell you how wrong you are. And sometimes, but not always, they are right. My diverse background has led me to believe I can produce compelling and informative content with an approach that is different from others I have seen, providing a valuable service for viewers. So I hope you enjoy my videos while also learning something. Of course, as of the recording of this audio, this channel doesn't have a single video. I hope I will be able to work up to making 1 to 2 videos of medium high quality each week, though only time will tell if I succeed. I know there will be a steep learning curve in terms of producing videos. I have zero experience with video or audio editing, or voice acting, or graphics. But really, how hard can it be? Yeah, I am sure I will make mistakes. And if you watch my videos, I hope you will give me constructive criticism to keep me honest and accurate, and so I can better determine the best way forward for this channel. To start, I will try to make a variety of videos on a variety of subjects, so I can get an idea of what you viewers like and what format suits me best. Though I know I want to mostly steer clear of general space news, as my impression is that the subject is covered quite adequately by other channels. And I want to keep things mostly positive, so I will try to avoid falling into rabbit holes like moon hoax, flat earther, space denier stuff. I am generally a patient man, but they have a unique ability to wind me up. Though I may address what I perceive as biased analysis of space topics, where I believe it has a potential to mislead even informed space fans, perhaps through high production value and confidence. Anyway, that's about all I wanted to say in my first video. If you like and subscribe, you'll probably see more videos from me. Though I hope this isn't the first video on my channel you've come across. I plan on dropping this video at the same time as my first space video, and just letting people find their way to this video through my other videos. This video is as much for me as it is for you. I want to solidify my idea for this channel in video form, and to start getting some experience with the non-science aspects of being a content creator. Oh, and full disclosure, I have some hope this channel could provide some side income for me. I'm expecting 10 to 20 hours of work on the channel per week. In addition to my full-time job, that is too much effort for no return. But I can't imagine I would stoop to using things like unskippable ads. I'm sure I can find a model that respects the integrity of the videos, respects you as the viewer, while also making it worthwhile for me. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you like my channel.